If you're a micro influencer of any kind and you've heard about the Amazon Influencer Program, I'm here to tell you that it is still a great time to start, but you have to be willing to do things just a little bit differently. By now, you've heard about this program for probably the past couple of years, and you may be thinking, is it too late for me to get involved with it? Is it too saturated at this point? It seems like there's a lot of people kind of breaking into this Amazon Influencer Program, and it's always a hot topic with things like this and TikTok Shop. At what point does something like this become saturated and not really worth your time to jump into? And I'll be the first to tell you that, like most things, once they get to this point, it probably is a little bit too saturated for those that are too lazy to actually put in the work to see real commissions come from it. It's kind of reached that point now where it's started to separate the ones that are dedicated to the ones that were just kind of in it for a quick dollar in the beginning, because those people have probably made their money, their commissions have dipped now, and they're either moving on from it, or they're gearing up to start to revamp their Amazon influencer storefront, or they're already implementing these strategies, which I'm going to talk about, and are continuing to make good money with this program. So if you're willing to learn those strategies, if you're willing to kind of adapt to the business and put a little bit more consistency and effort into the strategy, then in my opinion, the opportunity has never been better. Because I'm going to be honest with you, even for me over the past, couple of months, I haven't taken this Amazon influencer program that seriously. I don't know if I've put really a lot of effort into it this entire year so far. So like January, February, March. And there's a couple reasons for that. A couple of those reasons being that I'm working on other things. There's things that I'm trying to build, a lot of changes in the business over the past couple months. But one of the main reasons is that I still get a decent sized commission every month with this program, even not having not touched it for like 3 months, which just kind of speaks to the power of the Amazon influencer program. That work I did like a year and a half ago is still paying me to this day, daily and monthly, landing a commission check in my account every month. I'll show you a screenshot of what I've done over the past 3 months, kind of compared to what I did maybe over like my first 3 months doing the Amazon influencer program. You can see obviously commissions have dipped, but like I said, I put next to no focus on this business for the past 3 months. So even just the fact that I'm getting commission at all is really awesome to me. I'm going to be honest, in the beginning of this program, it felt so easy to get those commissions. It was essentially a numbers game. Like as many videos as I could make as possible, I could just see my commissions go up and up and up. And it wasn't really about any strategy that I was implementing. It was kind of more just, like I said, a numbers game. The more videos equaled higher commission that would come in. So it was really just a race to like 300 videos, 500 videos, 800 videos, 1,000 videos, because that was my whole entire strategy at the time. And I think it worked pretty well for the time. In fact, I would still say to this day, somebody who is just starting the Amazon influencer program, to get to your 300 videos as fast as possible, because that's where you really start to see some options present themselves with the business. I feel like you get reached out to for brand deals a lot more, and you kind of establish yourself more as a legit creator on the platform. But like I said, it was essentially a numbers game. I was just pumping out video after video after video, getting as many as I could to let that commission continue to come in passively. And that's really just not the strategy for me anymore. Not because I don't think it works. I just think it's not the most effective way to get the highest commission for the least amount of work, which is the ultimate goal, right? You don't want to continue to have to spend hours and hours a day filming content just to make a low commission on those videos. The return just isn't as high. So if we're looking to optimize our output of work for our income of commissions, there are definitely strategies to implement in 2025 that will help you be at the top of your game with Amazon Influencer. Now, if you watch other people's content regarding the Amazon Influencer program on YouTube, a lot of them talk about how commissions have dipped probably recently over the past 6, 7, 8 months. And I've definitely seen that for me too. And that could be due to a lot of things. More than likely, it's the fact that there are more and more creators joining this program every day, which does equal more competition. And if you understand how the Amazon Influencer program works, that just means that your videos have just a harder time getting on carousels for certain products. For example, you don't know if the Hydro Flask that you're filming for has like 20 people's reviews on it already, or if there's 0 reviews on it. And if you were to make a review, would your video be on the top carousel with your first try? If it was, you would probably be making good money off of that video. And if it's not, and you're the 30th or 50th person to review that, and you're sitting far below top carousel, you would never know that. So what do people do? A lot of times they'll turn to brand deals or working with brands that reach reach out to them to promote their Amazon products. This was just never really my strategy. It always ended up being way more time consuming for way too little of money. The return on my time just was not worth it. Having to negotiate the brand deal, get the product sent to me, shoot it the way that they want me to, possibly do revisions, and then submit it only for a small commission on top of, the commission that I would get anyways for posting the video. It was just so much more effort than it needed to be, whereas I could make videos like this every day and get a really good commission and return on those. So for me, working with brands just didn't really make a ton of sense because I wanted this business to be super passive. Now, if this was the only thing you were doing and it was your main side hustle, I could definitely see that being another means of revenue for your business because you can make brand deals a pretty lucrative part of it. Like I said, just takes a lot of time. So for people like me, being on top carousel is crucial to earning the commission that I'm looking for. But like I said, if I have 900 plus videos, which I do, how can I know if I am picking the right products to review? How can I know if I'm even on top carousel anymore? And how can I know when I'm looking for products, which is the best one to buy to give myself the best chance of making the most commission on that product when I review it? That's where the strategy comes in that I want to talk about, which is using a software tool called Viral View. Now, I've personally been using Viral View for a while now before I took my little hiatus from Amazon Influencer. And there are three main parts of this tool that I absolutely think are crucial to learn. First one is the order history scanner. Second is the storefront scanner. And third is just utilizing the Chrome extension to figure out what the best products are for you to buy in order to get the best chance of making the most commission on your reviews. The order history scanner is essentially what it sounds like. Once Viral View is linked up to your Amazon Influencer program profile, you can go through and scan your order history on Amazon, and it will show you a list of products that are best for you to review that give you the best chance at the highest commissions. This is massive because this means that all these products in this list right here, you already have at your house. You've purchased these products already. All you got to do is go find them and make a quick review for these. It also shows you which of these products may be worth reviewing and which ones may not be, which leads me to the Chrome extension. Utilizing the Chrome extension when just shopping on Amazon is an absolute cheat code to this business because if you are like me, you're going to be shopping on Amazon anyways. And when you're looking up products, you know that there's 10 different kinds of the same products, all from different brands. So why not select the product that gives you the best chance to make commission on it? Like I said, if you're looking at like a hydro flask, for instance, and you want to buy this product and get a review on it, more than likely this product is popular enough that you may not be able to get on the carousel. But if you have searched up water bottles like that, you would know that there are dozens and dozens of options. So using the Chrome extension tool, you can kind of see which ones have room on the carousel while also making sure that they're making good sell through each month and being able to see if they're moving enough product for this to be worth it to make a review. A big help with understanding this is looking at the viral score to see if this is a really good opportunity for you to jump on. And finally, I went in kind of a weird order, but the third one that I use is the storefront scanner. This will look over all of the videos that I've made and essentially give me an idea as to which ones need to be re-reviewed. Whether that's me taking a product that I've done really well with and kind of creating another video for that, like a comparison product, comparing two water bottles together, or if I've fallen out of the carousel on that product and I need to make another video in order to put myself back on. Viral View really is the cheat code that Amazon influencers that are making good money have been using to beat the competition. At this point, you really need a software tool like this in order to see success. Otherwise, you're just shooting in the dark when it comes to reviewing products, which you can do. I'm not going to say that you can't do that. I'm just saying if you want to optimize the most amount of value for your time with this program, utilizing a tool like Viral View is an absolute game changer. Now, if you want to learn more about the Amazon Influencer program and how micro influencers just like you are making hundreds to thousands of dollars a month passively through this program, other affiliate programs, brand deals, and multiple monetizable income streams with their social media account, I will be launching a brand new Skool program just for you. If you want more information about it or to sign up, the link will be down in the description below. The first 50 to sign up for the program will be free and grandfathered in at that price forever, which I think will be an insane value down the road. If you're looking to invest in your personal brand and looking to make that a main source of income in the near future, this is the perfect program for you. My wife and I did just over $1 million in revenue this year with our influencer business, and this is the first time we've ever shared anything about that process and how to do it for yourself. We focused on strategies and things that can be recreated in all kinds of micro influencer accounts to really unlock your earning potential as a micro influencer influencer. I'm beyond excited for you guys to see this program once it launches. So if you want to find out when that is, click the subscribe button down below. Be sure to leave a like on the video, and I will follow up with more information on it shortly.